Box from Houston. There's no card, but we know who it's from, right? We don't know who it's from? Cayenne, you gonna open the box? Gonna open the box? Tear it off.
Here, I'll start.
Hey, get that finger out of your mouth. Open the box. Open the box.
Pull it. Yeah. He has no skill.
What?
He has no skill.
He has skill. He just hasn't figured it out yet. He doesn't know what Christmas is all about.
It's about getting.
Wrong.
It's about giving. No, it's about getting.
Kai. What is that? Wow, what is it in the box? What's in the box? Do you see the picture? What's in the box?
Merry Christmas. We love you. Aunt Edna and Uncle Drew.
Wow. What's in the box? Get that thumb out of your mouth. Hey, get the thumb out of your mouth. Keep it out of your mouth. Can you do that for Mommy? Nope. Wow, what's that, baby? Wow. That's beautiful.
The train goes around.
Oh, wow, the train goes around.
It sings Deck the Halls. How do you turn it on?
Underneath? Well, we may have to. I thought there's not a wind-up thing?
Hold on, buddy. Try it from the wind-up part.